Yo, Thorff here. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to become a realistic profitable trader and make hundreds of dollars with the tools I will be showing you guys in this video. So to have leverage over other traders, you will need to have tools that will give you an edge in this meme coin space. There are two things that are very important. So one is having a very good platform to trade on, and two is having a Telegram channel that will give you calls and wallets to track. So this is what I'm going to go through in this video. So let's go right into it. So a lot of you guys already heard of BullX, Photon, Nova and Bloom. The reason you guys heard of Nova and BullX is because famous traders like, for example, Orangey, no hate to him, towards him, but he promotes Nova and they got like very famous, and Axiom is actually getting already very famous, and with traders like Leans and Red that are trading on Axiom. And just let me tell you guys, Axiom is a new trading platform you guys should be trading on. Why? It's because it have every tool that you guys need to get leverage over traders. And the reason I wanted to make this video is because Axiom just got a new update, and I'm going to explain why this update is so crazy. So let's go right into it. So first, is multi-wallet. So you can buy with multiple wallets at once, buy and sell. I'm not gonna use this multi-wallet update. Because I'm just going to trade on with with one wallet. So if you want to trade with multiple wallets at once, it's useful, and as you can see here. So next, this is a very cool one, a custom Twitter tracker. So you can customize your own Twitter tracker. So you could add like Elon Musk, like famous celebrities on the crypto space. So this is a very cool one to have, a custom Twitter tracker. You could have like to be in the top 5,500 and choose which accounts to monitor. So yeah, you can choose your own Twitter handles and just add them to the custom Twitter tracker. So this is very useful. I'm gonna use this, and you could get, like, if you want to get every Twitter handler, it's my Telegram. So I recommend using the Telegram, joining the Telegram. So next we have Twitter's preview. So you get over like trades and just see what tweeted about it. So that's a very useful one. I'm gonna use it because if like Trump says something about Elon Musk, Doge or something, or about his dog, and you just could click right here, as you can see, and just see from where what tweet it came from. So this is very useful to use. I'll be using it very often. So you could get the tweet before getting the tweet, you know, just scanning in the trenches. So this is very cool one. Customize bills. This is just some basic things if you want to do. So you could customize your own customization and like the button size, but yeah, I'm not gonna use this. This is just like an extra to use. So next, this is a very important one. This is OG token info. So a lot of good traders are trading narratives of OG tokens. So you could find like if a new token is made, you could find like the OG token of that coin. So you could make like easy money with this new tool. So because a lot of big traders are like trading the OG coins that are already made like 1 month ago, 2 months ago, and just aping in. And if the OG coin has already died, you could get like an entry at 4k and 5k. So you could make like bags with this tool. So this is a tool I recommend to you guys. And yeah. And with that, Axiom is just the best tool, best platform to trade on right now. So I recommend using the link in the description, of course. So what's next? The OG search. So if you want to search a coin, you just click on OG mode, and you could get every OG's coins that are being made. I don't think I will be using this one, but if I'm scanning in VC or with friends and just scanning OG coins in the past, this is very useful to have. So trader details, this is like very easy. So you could just hover above the wallet addresses and just see the PNLs of the traders, as you can see, guys, how much you bought in the coin, the PNLs. So these are like very easy, because at first you needed to click first to see, but now it's a lot easier. So filter for tracked wallets only, so you could have like a separate only tracked, so you could see how much your wallet made into the coin you're bought in, or just scanning around. So you just see the activity of the wallets you bought in, you track. So this is very cool feature. So above the charts you can see like this symbol where you can share link, so you could get like money from it. So this is a very cool feature. So if you send this coin to a friend and he buys in, you could get the fees from the guy that bought in with your referral link, which is like not a referral link, but it's like a referral with the token links. So you could get like free money with this feature. So I like this feature. These are going to be a lot of people that are going to be make money with this tool. So if you want to be early with this tools, click the first link in the description and just get started with Axiom, guys. So the next feature is going to be trading full page scrollable. So you could make like the charts bigger, and you just can scroll down. So yeah, it's like a cool feature to have. It's not like an important feature or great tool to have leverage on, but it's just cool to have, of course. This is a very useful tool. This is like more buy presets on instant trade, so you could get like more presets on the buying instant trade. So these are like very good feature, because I'm trading on different wallets sometimes, and I don't want to change the presets all the time. So you could get like 9 presets amount of SOL you want to buy in, and yeah, these are like more, and it's easier and useful to have, of course. Instant trade hotkeys. So this one is like a good feature to have. So you can use like hotkeys to buy in a coin and sell in a coin. So you don't need to click on instant trade or anything else. So you just click here, and just if you want to buy in a coin, click W and you're in. And if you want to sell click S and you're out of the trade. So hotkeys are very useful. You could get in the trade and out of trade very fast, and without clicking on the instant trade. So this is very useful. I'll be using this. So this is a very cool feature to have. So yeah. Filter buy and sell in wallet tracker. So you could filter out the buy and sell wallets. So you could get like a minimum of what wallets are buying. So you could get like a minimum 1 SOL buys. You could exclude sells and buys. So if you want to filter out to your own liking, yeah, it's up to you. This is a very cool feature, very good tool. Deck screener banner. Because first, if you want to see the banner, you needed to go to pump.fun, and you are losing time. So it's already migrated into Axiom right now. So it's very cool to see the banner, of course, the ticker. So yeah, that gives you like extra motive to buy into the coin. Website preview. You could see the age of the website. This is very good feature, because you can see immediately if the coin is made like 1 hour ago, or if it's a website that's already made like 1 week ago. So you could spot the rug, of course. So yeah, this is the new update of Axiom, and as you can see here, these are like the customized rows. You could wallet tracker, of course. You can find all the wallets that I track on on my Telegram channel, as you can see here. You just click in here and just import them to Axiom. And guys, I will be calling calls in this channel, because I have a other channel group, but I will be doing this group as like a group where you guys can connect. But if you guys want to connect here, you need to we need to hit like 70 subscribers first. So yeah, just join this channel. I'll be sending like calls, as you can see here, right here. I called this at 200k and it went to 500k. So if you want to hit runners like this with me, you just join the Telegram. It's linked in the description. So I recommend joining this Telegram, of course. Here are the Twitter trackers, tracker, of course. And here, right here, you can customize your Twitter feed. So right here, and just add handle or import in like bulk. So that's very easy. Let's go to the chart right now. And go to this one. Okay, instant trade. And as you can see here, you could change to your own liking. This is a very useful thing to have. I'll be using it, of course. And of course here you can find like the active wallet. You can add like a wallet and just buy in bulk. And here are the hotkeys, so you could just buy in with W and get out with S or Z, so it's to your own liking. And I heard that you could get like better fills now with this new update. So if you want to have like better fills, I recommend using Axiom right now. It's the best platform to trade on. It gives you leverage over traders, of course. And of course you could get 10% off with my link in the description. So I recommend using my link, of course. I'll be uploading 1 Solana to 25 Solana on very soon. So if you want to get notified, join my Telegram. It's right here. I'm going to send more calls in the future. So if you want to make some bags with me, join this Telegram channel, and yeah, we will be connecting with this channel. So I recommend joining this, and then I will be at 70 subscribers. I will be sending the link to this one, and we will be connecting with each other on this one. So if you like this video, I appreciate if you liked and subscribed and commented in the comments. So this is it. Thank you guys very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.